good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. So we are today here. We're going to talk about this, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, it's about comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives. Have you ever heard about those two things in your senior high school? Have you heard about it? Pernah dengar nggak? Pernah ya? Okay, that's very good. Now I would like somebody maybe to help me to tell us about this. Can you help me? Ada yang bisa bantu? Okay, Mbak. Can you tell me about some or one or two things about
Adjective. Okay.
kalimat adjective? Okay. Let us see what we have here. Alright. Can you see this picture? Okay, we have two apples. This one and that one. How do you say it? How do you compare these two apples? Mbak, you want to answer it? You want to try?
Apple A is smaller than apple B.
Okay, very good. So when you want to compare the size, kita ingin membandingkan ukurannya, ya. So we say apple A is smaller than apple B. Now, bagaimana dengan kalau misalkan kita mau bilang apple B lebih besar dibandingkan dengan apple A? How do you say it?
It's bigger.
Apple B is bigger than apple A, ya. Jadi kalau misalkan kita ingin membandingkan, ya, kita bilangnya bigger. Kalau bigger itu kata dasarnya apa? Big. Ya, we know that the origin words of bigger is big. Jadi untuk menunjukkan kalau dia itu lebih, maka apa yang terjadi di kata itu? Untuk menunjukkan lebih.
Dikasih keterangan er.
Perfect, excellent. So we need to add er at the end of the word. Like the word big, it becomes bigger. Jadi artinya dari besar, big, becomes lebih besar, right? Yeah, let's see what we have here.
Comparative adjectives. What are adjectives? Places or things. Comparative adjectives tell us how one noun is different from the other.
Alright, so from the very beginning, we already know what we're going to talk about in this meeting, right? The first one is comparative adjective, and then the second one is superlative adjective, that's right. But first, we're going to focus on this one first. Comparative adjectives. So, from the term, comparative, we already know when we use that. Comparative, we compare, kita membandingkan, ya. If you have two things that we want to compare, we use comparative adjectives. Kita ingin membandingkan dua hal. Misalkan seperti, can I borrow your pen, Mbak? Okay, thank you. And yeah, I have this one. So let's see this. As you can see here, I have two pens. Ya, saya punya dua pulpen. Ini bukan spidol ya. This one is pen. Both of them are pen. So again, if I want to say something about comparing these two objects, kira-kira bilang apa? Misalkan kalian ingin membandingkan apa dari dua hal ini? Bagaimana dengan ketinggiannya? Ya? Panjangnya, bukan ketinggian ya. Bagaimana dengan panjangnya? Jika kalian ingin membandingkan panjang dari dua benda ini adalah pen A, ini adalah pen B. So, kalau misalkan kalian ingin bilang kalau pen A itu lebih tinggi dibandingkan dengan pen B, how do you say it? Tinggi bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Tall, perfect. So, kalau ingin bilang lebih tinggi, kita bilangnya apa? Tall, taller, perfect. So, in the sentence, if you want to say pen A lebih tinggi dibandingkan pen B, how do you say it? Come on. Pen A is taller than can be perfect. That's correct, ya. Kalau misalkan kita balik sekarang, what about we say that 10B? Lebih apa berarti? Lebih pendek dibandingkan 10A. How do you say? Anybody can help me with that? Pendek. Pendek bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Tall. Short. Yeah, that's right. Tall, short. Kalau lebih pendek, how do you say it? Shorter. Perfect. So it becomes 10B is shorter. That's right. Shorter than pen A. Yeah, pen A, pen B. So pen B is shorter than pen A. That's right. Yeah. As you can see on the screen, you can compare people, places, and things about anything, about the color, about the size, about the taste, about literally anything. Yeah. Okay.
For example, she is taller than him. This painting is more beautiful than that painting. My brother looks happier than my sister.
All
How
right.
comparative adjectives formed in English? It depends on how many syllables the adjective has. For
Okay, let's stop it right there. So sekarang bagaimana caranya kita membuat si comparative adjective itu? These are the rules whenever we want to compare something. If you want to say like, yeah, as for example here, short becomes shorter, big becomes bigger. But what about this? We have hungry, it becomes hungrier, noisy, noisier, modern, more moderate. What happens with those? Kalau di atas kita hanya menambahkan ER. But when you see the bottom part, we use more. Anybody knows what happened with that? Apa yang terjadi dengan itu? Kenapa ada yang ditambahkan ER? Kenapa ada yang ditambahkan more? Apa di sana dari screen-nya? Sorry? That's okay. Just say it. That's okay. Maybe as you can see, contoh kata sifatnya itu apa yang membedakan dari yang atas dengan yang bawah? Okay. So pay attention to this word. Pay attention to this adjective. We have short, we have big, hungry, noisy, modern, expensive. So the rule is, if we have one syllable, if the word has one syllable, apa syllable itu? Do you still remember what syllable is? Syllable is suku kata, ya. Jadi kalau kita lihat di sini, we have short, it becomes shorter because it has one syllable. Short, suku kata, cuma short. Kalau meja berapa suku kata? Meja. It's two syllables. Itu namanya suku kata, ya. Ini short. Big. Big itu satu suku kata. Hungry, noisy, berapa suku kata? Two. Nah, jika dia berakhiran dengan huruf Y atau bunyi I, hungry, noisy, ya, berakhiran dengan huruf Y, maka dia ditambahkan ER, ya. Hanya satu suku kata ditambahkan ER, tapi jika dia suku kata dan berakhiran huruf Y, maka kita tambahkan ER juga. But what about this? Modern, expensive. How many syllables in that word? Modern. 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 Expensive. 3. 2 and 3, yeah? So the rule is, if it's more than 2, we add more before the word. Jadi kita nggak lagi menambahkan ER di belakangnya. More modern. We don't say more moderner, but more modern, more expensive, because it already means lebih, ya. ER di sini, more di sini sudah berarti lebih di sana, right? Okay.
rock music is better than classical music.
Okay, these are also the
My dog
examples.
is lazier than my cat.
Let's practice, okay?
Will write the comparative adjective. For example, tall,
What is the comparative adjective of tall? Tadi apa? Tall? Yeah? Taller, that's right, yeah? Taller.
taller.
Okay. Next.
Now you try.
Careful. Careful. More careful, correct, yeah? Let's see.
More careful, yeah. Good.
What about good? Yeah, so actually there are some exceptions in it. Jadi ada pengecualian ya, jadi tidak mengikuti aturan yang sudah kita pelajari tadi. Walaupun tadi dia bilang tinggal ditambahkan ER, ditambahkan apa namanya? More, tapi ada pengecualian di sini. So, for example, here we have good. Kalau lebih good, lebih baik, itu kita bilangnya gimana? Better, right? Ini adalah salah satu pengecualian. It is not gooder. Kita nggak bilang gooder atau more good, right? We say better. So that is one of the examples of the exception of the comparative adjectives that doesn't follow the rule. Yeah. Noisy becomes noisier, right? Noisy two syllables, but berakhiran dengan huruf y. Yeah. Okay.
Superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives to compare three or more people, places, or things. Superlative adjectives tell us how one noun is different from the rest.
Okay, so before we compare two things, now we compare three things. Ya, kalau tadi menunjukkan lebih, ya, sekarang superlatif kita akan membandingkan tiga hal. Yang mana berarti kalau di antara tiga itu ada yang paling. That's good point. Ya, paling. Let's see. Okay, for example, here we have the painting is the most beautiful of all. This painting is the most beautiful of all. Jadi salah satunya itu paling cantik. That's correct. Okay. Alright, let's see another one. Okay, kita compare ya. Anggap ini paling kecil ya. Anggap ini paling kecil. Ini yang nomor 2, ini yang paling besar. Okay, we have A, B, C. Pen A, pen B, pen C. Ada yang bisa bantu nggak untuk bilang kalau size-nya yang ini tuh paling kecil? You nggak? How do we say it nggak?
That's okay.
Pen
Pen A
A
is
the
small,
smallest
smallest pen.
pen.
Okay,
Well done. So pen A is the smallest pen. So if you want to say about the size, what about this? Kalau yang ini, pen C. Dari size-nya, pen C is the biggest pen. Okay, that's a good point. Alright. So now let's see, how we form it. Bagaimana cara kita membuatnya? Seperti tadi, ya. Kalau misalkan kita ingin buat comparative adjective-nya, apa yang terjadi dengan katanya itu? Dari big menjadi bigger. But what about this now? Untuk menunjukkan kalau dia paling, gitu, ya. What about big? Let's see the word big. It becomes the biggest. Yeah, that is what happening. Dari short becomes the shortest. Jadi harus ada the di depannya. Gak bisa bilang pen A is shortest. No, we cannot say that. But we have to add the word before the noun. Yeah, so the adjective plus est. Yeah, and then hungry, hungriest. Noisy, noisiest. Nah, kita tambahkan est. And kalau kita lihat yang paling bawah, what happens there? Apa yang terjadi? Modern. Kalau kita mau bilang paling modern, Itu bilangnya the most modern. Yeah, the rule is quite similar with the comparative adjective. Yeah, the rule is quite similar. Tinggal kita tambahkan est if the syllable is only one. But if it's two syllables, yeah, it's similar with two syllables. Tapi kalau dia berakhiran y, maka ditambahkan es. Yang terakhir paling bawah, if it's three syllables or more, ya, kalau dia lebih dari, two syllables or more, modern, expensive. Jadi tinggal kita tambahkan the most, ya, seperti ini. Okay. This is the examples.
Rock music is the best kind of music. My dog is the laziest pet in my house. The singer is the most famous member of the band. These boots are the most expensive shoes in my closet.
Okay, those are the examples of another sentences in superlative adjectives.
Look at the adjective.
Okay, now your turn. Now it's everybody's turn.
For example, tall.
Okay, so what is the superlative form of tall? Tall, paling tinggi jadinya? We add the tallest, 100. Okay. Let's see if it's correct. Yeah, the tallest. Good. Now,
Now you try.
again. Careful becomes the most careful. Let's see if it's correct or no. The most careful, perfect score. Another example, good. What happens with good? The best, that's correct. So this is also one of the exception dari luar aturan yang sudah kita pelajari tadi. Jadi seperti yang sebelumnya ada juga di sini good tidak mengikuti aturan, ya. Dari good menjadi the best. We don't say the goodest. We don't have the word, ya. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the. Okay. Now, I think I've already shown you all of the examples. For now, I would like everyone here, as your exercise, you see around your classroom, and then you compare something about it, ya. Jadi kalian lihat barang-barang sekeliling kalian, jadi dibandingkan ya barang yang kalian lihat itu satu dengan yang lainnya. Okay, that is your task. Okay, I'll give you 15 minutes. Alright? Okay, job is to write down one example of the sentence in comparative adjectives and one example in superlative adjective. Okay? Okay, you, please. This one is...
This room is brighter than the other room.
Okay, well done, very good. This room is brighter than the other room. Okay, itu yang comparative ya. Satu lagi, I need one example of superlative adjective. You got it. You wanna try? Okay, please.
This class is the oldest class.
Okay.
Perfect. This class is the coldest class, right? So you want to say that this class itu paling apa? Cold, paling dingin dibandingkan dengan kelas yang lain. Okay, I think that's a perfect exercise ya for us to do. Saya kira, I think this is the end of our meeting ya. Everybody already knows what the difference between superlative adjective and comparative adjective. And maybe if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, I assume that everybody understand, right? Everybody already understands, so no question. That's very good. Yeah, I think that's all for today. And I think this is the end of our meeting. Hopefully we can meet again next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.